Yo guys, what's going on? Boostly here with another quick and easy tutorial. This time, how to remove that ugly ass front grille from the Toyota GT86. You will need to remove the front bumper to do this, a video of which can be found on my channel. I'll either put it on screen and in the link below. Once the bumper is removed, you have access to the back of it. The front grille is held in by these small tabs that run around the edge of it. Simply have to just lift and pull, applying a little bit of pressure all the way around, and the grille will just simply pop out. If you've got a UK spec number plate, you will have extra little tabs on the back of the number plate holder, which I'll definitely be removing while I'm doing this. Unfortunately, if you do have a UK spec GT86, you've got these two gaping holes in the front where the number plate holder sits. So if you want to go for that clean look, it's a lot more difficult and you've got to have a bit more work done. But yeah, our number plates suck. So I will be leaving it off, and I'm going to put some square JDM style plates on there anyway. Lucky enough, they're just wide enough to cover the holes. So I'll put it back on and I'll show you how it looks if you want to run grilleless. I personally don't recommend running grilleless. It's just asking for a stone or a bird to fly headfirst into your radiator, which you definitely don't want. So in the meantime, I'm going to make up a grill with some mesh that I had laying around in the garage. So all I've done was pulled it over the original tabs and I just applied a little bit of glue with a hot glue gun just to hold it in place. And I feel like because the mesh is silver, it will stand out quite nicely against the black bumper. And I think you'll agree that it looks a lot tidier and a lot neater up front now, because the stock grille does look absolutely terrible. So I hope you found this video helpful. For more straight to the point tutorials, hit up my channel, hit the subscribe button, leave a like, leave some comments, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace out.